when Sankla Foundation has released its report, which is a culmination of 1 year hard work from the field, evidence-based data collection to making a framework which can be applied to 29 districts of Aravalli. And this is going to be a pathway for making this Aravalli once again restored area, back, keeping its glory back. And we are sincerely hoping that all the stakeholders, all the 29 districts, DFOs, they will take this as a practitioner guide for implementing those ideas into the field. And this work is going to help the policymaker, and it is a work to fill the gap between policy intent and the action plan. So basically this emphasizes on the micro planning, how to make a plan which can be implemented on the ground with the help of community. So it is basically a path-breaking landmark framework that has been prepared for the Aravalli restoration green walk.